How to set up and use Linktree quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to get started with Linktree. So let's get into it. Now, if you are a influencer, a social media person, or a business even, then you probably have a bunch of different websites or links that you want people to visit whenever they are visiting you, your website, your e-commerce storefront, your social media profiles, and it can be difficult to actually summarize all these things in one platform. So Linktree is basically a simple link sharing application which will enable you to put all your links in one place, and then you can just share that one link and people will get access to all of your social media to your business links. So this is a wonderful way for you to be able to get your traffic where it needs to be. So this can help you especially on social media platforms where you're not allowed to share multiple links, and you can often get banned for that when you have too many links and it gets too difficult for you to share all your links. Then you can simply add the one Linktree link, and then that would link people to all of the platforms that they might want to visit from you. So let's get into Linktree. Now, it's very simple to get started. All you have to do is click on sign up for free on the top right over here on Linktree. And then once you do that, they're going to begin your setup process. So you're just going to get started by adding your username. So what is the name that you want your Linktree account to be associated with? Let's say I run a business or a corporation under Jane Doe, and that is the business name that I want. So I'm just going to add Jane Doe just like that, and obviously this name is taken, so I will have to compromise, add some dots or underscores or any other symbol. Now this name is available, so I think I'm going to suffice with that. After that, you're just going to enter your email and a valid password. And after that, you're just going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to click on sign up with email. Once you have added your email, you're going to add your name. Then you're going to click on continue over here, and then you're going to add the category that best would describe your Linktree. So let's say that I have a business and that is the main use, and then I have a business that is usually related to marketing and advertising or shopping or retail. And then I'm just going to click on continue over here. You can build this for your own beginner business, and then we're going to choose the plan that we want for our Linktree account. So we're going to continue with the free version, and then we're going to click on get free over here. And later on in this video, I will go on ahead and show you guys the details on the different price plans of Linktree. So before we get into that, we're just going to begin setting up our Linktree. Now we're going to actually go on ahead and verify our email. So once you have verified your email, you're going to just sign in to continue, and once you do that, you can begin customizing your Linktree page. So the Linktree page is going to basically be the link that people are going to click on. So this is going to be the link that you're going to add everywhere from now, and then this link could lead to any of your pages or any of your social media links or shopping links or e-commerce links, whatever it might be. So first thing you're going to do is, you can see this is the preview of our Linktree. We're going to click on add new link and begin adding our links. So this could be my store, and then you're just going to enter the URL for that link. So let's say we want to add our Wix store. We're going to head on over to Wix, and then we're just going to copy the link for our store from there. And then you're just going to copy that and put that in the URL section and click on paste over here. And now you can even see you have things like a redirect, you have thumbnail, you have prioritize, you have your schedule, blocking, and overall analytics for that as well. And you can turn a certain link on and off as well. So I want to maybe rename this to my clothing store. So for Jane Doe, this could be my clothing store, and then I could add my social media link. So I could click on add new link over here, and then we're going to add Twitter. So after adding Twitter, I can go on ahead and enter my Twitter URL. So you're just going to copy your links, and then you're just going to paste them in the URL section over here. So moving on ahead, what you're going to do is you're just going to link your socials. So you can see once you link a social media site that is like a large site like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, it's going to show you whether or not you want to link off the Twitter website, if you want to display your latest tweet, or if you want to link off your profile to your latest tweet. So you also have those options on the premium version of the Linktree account. Now once you have added your links, you can even click on explore over here, and you have certain things like documents, videos, type forms, tip jars that you can add. So you can click on tip jar over here, and then you can just add your tip jar, and you can add the amount of money that people can add, and then you're just going to click on add payment provider, And then you can add the specific payment provider like Square or PayPal, and soon Stripe will also be a integration available. So you can add those links to your Linktree as well. Now, moving back on to your link section, what you're going to do is you're just going to add all of your links that you want to display. Once you have done that, you can go into the appearance section on the top over here, and then you can customize the appearance. So you can pick an image to add to your account, or you can click on upload your own image. You can design with Canva, or you can even use your NFT profile image. So what we're going to do is we're just going to upload a file, and then we're just going to go on ahead and use this image over here. We're just using this random image. This is just an example. You're going to upload whatever image that you want for your account. I would usually recommend, if it's a business, add your business logo. If you are branding yourself, marketing yourself as an influencer, then add your own image, and then you're going to add your bio. So you're going to add whatever you want as your bio. If you're a person, you can add like, hello, here are all my socials, or here are all the related links to myself. Or if it's a business, you can add something along the lines of, welcome to the Jane Doe Incorporation. Here are some important links, or something like that. Then you have your look. So most of these are specifically reserved for upgradable looks only, but you also have things like this. So you can display a solid color. You can choose any one of these themes like these solid color themes, and I do think that they are pretty good for a basic Linktree profile. And you even have seasonal ones like these hydrangea and poppy ones. These are relatively new additions, and you can even go with a simple white look. I'm going to go on ahead and continue with the Linktree X John Luke theme, and then you can customize the background as well if you want it to be a flat color, and then you can customize your buttons as well. So you have a bunch of different options that you can pick for in terms of appearance and color as well. Now, moving on, the next thing you're going to do is click on settings on the top over here, and so after that, what you're going to do is you have your settings section, and in your settings section, you have things like mailing list, commerce integration, sensitive material, SEO, analytics, subscribe, social icons, and affiliate programs. So you can link any one of those in a specific manner as well. And you can add your social media icons, you can add your subscriptions, any kind of analytics or SEO that you want. Once you have done that, you're going to move on to analytics, and in your analytics section, you just have your basic information about what links are being viewed and how many times they have been viewed. And once you have all of that set up, so you've added any integration that you want, you can just go on ahead and save your Linktree, and you're going to be ready to put in your link into your social media profile. So if we go on ahead and take a look at the Linktree that we have built up till now, so we're just going to click on share over here, and then you can add your socials and just share your Linktree. And this is what the Linktree is currently looking like. It just has two basic links, and once I click on the links, they're just opening up the designated website. So that is how simple and easy it is to set up Linktree. Now you also have the pricing. Now all the features that we just used were on the free version. Then we also have the starter version starting at $5, the pro version starting at $9, and the premium version starting at $24 USD per month. There are certain features like scheduling that you only get on the starter, pro, and premium, and then features like email collection, phone number collection, mobile link applications, embedding latest tweets, code locks, and RSS feed links only on the pro and premium version. So if those are features that you might want, then you might want to upgrade on the premium version of Linktree. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.